Hello. This is Commander. Commander is one of my cats. Say hi, Commander. Hey, hey, come back. Come back, Commander. Come back. Come back, Commander. Come back, Commander. Commander, come back. Commander. Commander, where you went? Hey, get back. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. There you go. Hey, say hi, Commander. Come on, Commander. It's my followers, okay? They want to say hi to you. This is Commander over here. He is so cute. Yeah, thanks goes to Steak Paul for naming him Commander. So, yeah. Also, Commander. Commander, what is it you want? Why you always like to hide? Well, we don't know why. So anyways, that is so far what Commander looks like.